The Assam government last week carried out an eviction drive in the villages of Darang district. The aim was to vacate 4,500 bighas of land illegally occupied by over 800 families of illegal Bangladeshi migrants. The eviction proceeded smoothly till 22nd September and there were only 60 families remaining to be evicted. But on the next day, around 10,000 people gathered and attacked the police. The mob, armed with lathis, machetes, spears and bricks, attacked the policemen. 9 policemen were injured in the attack by violent mob. 2 persons were killed in the retaliatory firing by the police. Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sharma has said that Popular Front of India instigated the violence. The Assam government has ordered a judicial inquiry to be conducted into the incident, but the opposition parties and their minions in the media will show images only to peddle their own agenda instead of focusing on the issue of illegal Bangladeshi immigrants. Illegal encroachments and the violence perpetrated by illegal occupiers is not new to Assam and has been going on for decades. According to data from 2017, around 49 lakh bighas of land across Assam has been encroached. That would be twice the area of Goa and a little less than that of Sikkim. The encroached land includes 3,172 square kilometers of forest land and large areas that belong to temples. The HS Brahma committee report states that day in and day out, new areas are encroached upon by thousands of illegal Bangladeshis. Organized swarms of land-grabbing suspected Bangladeshis equipped with construction materials and arms descend on vacant riverine islands to establish illegal villages overnight, and efforts of indigenous people to resist such organized invasions are met with counter-resistance and armed attacks. The Assam state government has undertaken several eviction drives in the past. Through such measures, the government seeks to utilize the vacated lands for afforestation and agricultural purposes. Locals will also be trained in farming, animal rearing and pisciculture. Hence, encroachment of land by illegal foreigners takes away the employment opportunities of the native population, affecting the Indian economy at large. Furthermore, India cannot ignore the dangers to its national security because of these illegal immigrants. There are fear of second partition with the complete or partial loss of Lower Assam to Bangladesh. In recent years, there has also been a surge in crimes committed by Bangladeshi nationals not only in Assam but in other major Indian cities as well. There are over 2,500 Bangladeshis in Indian prisons jailed for crimes such as rape, murder, human trafficking, smuggling, counterfeiting, theft, etc. India's sovereign right to regulate its own border and our right to live peacefully in our homeland is at stake due to illegal encroachment by Bangladeshis. It is precisely because of these factors that a national register of citizens becomes necessary. Implementation of NRC will ensure eviction of all illegal migrants, thereby protecting India's national security and sovereignty.